Welcome to my YouTube channel. This time we are going to learn how to create this incredible effect with Adobe Photoshop. Let's start. We remind you that the images used can be found in the video description. To start, we will drag the image of the whole towards the image of the subject. Using Ctrl+T we adjust the image. We can lower the opacity to check that the image has been in the place we want. We adjust the image with T Control until it is aligned with the body. Then with Ctrl+J we duplicate the image. We make the first layer invisible, and with the Magic Wand tool we select the interior area of the hole and eliminate it. Now we change the blend mode by multiply. We see how this makes the two images merge better. Then we apply a layer mask, and with the black brush we eliminate the surrounding areas of the image, leaving only the burned part of the hole. Now we double-click on the image layer and open the merge options. Here we move the first level until we see that the image blends better. Then with the Alt key pressed we move the right corner to its right. Now we make the first layer visible, and having the Control key pressed we click on the layer mask of the lower layer to obtain its selection. Having this selection we apply a layer mask to the main layer. Here we do the same by removing with the black brush the remaining areas of the image. Then with the Magic Wand tool we select the area of the hole, and with the black brush we eliminate. Still having the selected area we create a new layer and fill it with black. Now we continue with the brush, removing some areas. If necessary, lower the opacity of the brush for a better result. With a white brush we reveal some burned areas as seen on the screen. Now we drag the image of the cardboard texture to the main image, and using the opacity and Ctrl+T we adjust the image inside the hole. Now with the Control key pressed we click on the layer that we fill with black and we obtain its selection. Then we apply with this selection a layer mask on the cardboard texture image. Using the curves we make the image darker. and with hue saturation we lower the saturation of the image. Using the black brush with the low opacity in the layer mask, we darken the surroundings of the image to give a depth effect as shown on screen. Now we repeat the process of the curves to darken the image, and with hue saturation we lower the saturation. Then we drag the image with the text to the main image, and with the magic wand tool we select the gray color and we eliminate it. If there are some parts without deleting, we use the eraser tool. Adjust the text with Ctrl+T so that it is consistent with the image, being in the center of the whole. Then we change the fusion mode to overlay. We adjust the text again, and with the Control key pressed we click on the layer filled with black to get its selection, and we apply a layer mask to the text layer, and with the brush in low opacity we darken some parts as seen on screen. Then we go to the bottom of the layer window and apply a hue saturation effect to lower the saturation for the entire project. And then we apply color lookup to apply a filter to the entire project. Apply the bleach bypass filter and see how a filter is applied that lightens the entire image. Now we lower the opacity of this effect layer and change its blend mode to lighten. We can play with the saturation and opacity levels of these effects to obtain the effect that you like the most. Perfect. We have finished this effect. If you liked this video, leave us your like and subscribe to this channel where you can find more effects like this. Thanks for the support.